Alright, right here at the pectoral fin, cut it clean. That's the spine, right? Then, from this side. Here's a little trick. Man, you always skin the fish so beautifully. Looks delicious. Feels like summer skies already. Hey everyone, I'm Kiyosuke from Tsuruzen. So yeah, the real muggy season is finally here. In the spots I usually go, the big mackerel should be showing up anytime now. But anyway, enough small talk. Today we've got super fresh mackerel straight from Wakayama. Let's take a closer look. In the last video, I showed you how to skin mackerel in just 1 second. This time, it's the basics, the fundamental way to fillet mackerel. And we've got Tencho Nishida here to give us a proper lesson. Since mackerel is such a tasty fish, we'll also learn the best ways to enjoy it. Again with Tencho's tips. So stick with me till the end, and let's study together. Alright, let's dive right in. Let's go. Look at this beauty. So fresh, so shiny, and fat, just perfect. We'll talk about OniJime another time, but today is all about filleting. It's been a while since we did this, right? Everyone loves mackerel, so today we'll go into detail, answering the questions anglers always want to know. Alright then, let's start with how to wash the fish. Here we go, scale removal. Just like this, nice and quick. Above the fin, go across. Then right down the middle, clean it up. Don't miss the edges here. If you finish it off like this, the scales come off perfectly. I got it. Now the belly side, yep, scales are left here too. Flip it over, and this time work from the belly up. Lift your hand here, scrape it clean. No need to take off the scuts, they don't really come off anyway. Then under the fin, push down with the heel of the knife like this. Nice. But be careful, if you hold the fish too short, the fins can poke your fingers, so grip it longer here. Perfect. Now cut where the knife naturally catches, right along the line from the pectoral fin root. Turn it around, open it up from the vent here. With most fish, that's enough. But mackerel, their guts run way back here, so it's tough to wash out. So what you do is cut deeper, almost like when filleting. The guts go all the way to here, so when you open this far, it's way easier to clean. And here it comes. Long time no see. The toothbrush. Nothing fancy, just a regular one you can buy anywhere. Now add water and scrub. Just like brushing teeth. There, we're clean now. Honestly, toothbrushes are amazing. They're designed for human teeth. Companies spend tons of money perfecting them. So yeah, they're the strongest tool. Everyone, go get one, it's about $1. But don't buy the cheap ones, they'll break. Alright, now that it's washed, let's set it aside. If you don't wash the cutting board here, no matter how fresh the fish is, it'll taste bad. Why's that? Because while filleting, the smell sticks to the board, and then transfers right into the meat. So yeah, you've got to keep the board perfectly clean. If there's a chance to wash it every time. Always wash, always dry. This wiper is so useful. Always wipe, keep it fresh, keep it clean. And when wiping the fish, always go head to tail. Always, always this way.
魚拭くときは頭の方から尾っぽの方に絶対こう。
Make sure to wipe the belly too. From this point on, moisture is the enemy. If you wipe from head to tail, nothing pokes your hand. But if you wipe the other way, you'll get stuck by something. Fish swim forward, so going with the flow is safe. And it's gentler on the fish. That's the most important. Once it's wiped, place it head to the right, tail left, back facing away. Continue the cut from where we started earlier. All you need is to cut through the skin here. Got it? Now right down to the spine. Once you reach here, separate it cleanly. Now from this side, you can see the whole spine. See it? That's correct. Same on this side. Just glide the knife along the skin. Then go straight down to the spine. Now the bone's exposed from both sides. The knife's reached the foot of the spine ridge from both directions. Only this little part is still connected. So, reverse the knife, make a tiny cut, flip it, hold it, and separate. Done. Perfect, beautiful. Now for the other side. This side, I mess up a lot. The smaller the fish, the harder it is. They're so flat, it's tricky. Yeah, it's tough. Let me show you. Okay, cut it off here at the vent right here. Start the skin cut up to this point, then connect it. Like this. Then finish it off. From here, it's the same, cut to the middle. Now let's add one more little trick. The knife catches on the bone here, right? So just the tip, snap it through. See? Cut clean, no messing around on the other side. Now make a shallow cut through the skin again, nice and neat. If you try this at the far end of the board, your hand gets in the way and the knife goes diagonal. That's hard to hold. So, bring it closer, no hand in the way, and you can keep the knife flat and parallel with the board. Here we go. Just like that. Lift slightly, slide the knife in, slice clean through. There we go, look at that. Tencho, I kinda wanna taste this one right now. Again? Didn't you say this is a fishmonger's privilege? Man, you only remember the stuff that works in your favor. We're short on time, so let's do this quick. Please, not sashimi, but with some toppings. Just pour on the sauce and eat it right away. It's like a fisherman's dish, no, a fishmonger's dish. I want to eat that. Please. Now reverse the knife, flip it, and use the back of the blade to feel the bone. Cutting so more meat stays on this side. Just like that. Don't stress the details here, do it this way, and it'll look beautiful. Now the other side, same thing. Reverse the knife and cut it off. It's always the same with fish. When you fillet, if you first make a clean line for the knife to follow, everything turns out beautifully. That's the key, create the path before cutting deep. See? Perfect. Alright, time to pull the bones. Tencho, any tips for deboning? Once it's like this, the pin bones run 1, 2, 3, 4. Just up to about here above the vent. After that, no bones. So run your finger to feel them. Pinch and pull like this. When you pull, remember, bones grow in this direction. Pull against it and the flesh will tear. So pinch, hold down the meat with your fingers, then pull the bone out. That way the flesh stays intact. Keep going, ping, 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 just like that. Don't throw them out one by one. It's a hassle. Collect a few, then toss them all together. Check by touch. If nothing pokes you, you're done. Now let's skin it. For the skinning technique, check out the 1-second mackerel skinning video. Prepare it, hold it with a towel, and pull. Man, you always skin it beautifully. Lightning fast. No need to worry about the scuts. Head this way. Press a little, done. Now let's make a fishmonger's dish. Rough cuts here, rough cuts there. Chop it up. Add shiso leaves, these are for us, but for customers, only the freshest. Smells amazing, shiso always does. Add sesame seeds. Add ginger. Then a splash of special yuzu ponzu. Mix it all up. Looks so good. Finish with sesame on top. Alright, dig in. Alright then, this looks amazing. Let's dig in. Oh yeah, this is the winner. Absolute winner. So good. Wow. Delicious. No words needed.
は
So simple, yet the best. This would be perfect over plain white rice. Yep.
い、ということで
So today we showed you a super fresh mackerel and a simple fishmonger's dish. This recipe is super easy. Please try it at home. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that subscribe button and look forward to the next video. Alright, I've got work to do now, so I'll have to wrap it up here. Hey Tencho, make sure to save some for me. Okay? Come on, you promised I could have some of the staff meal. And don't forget to pull all the bones. Ha, if the bones are gone, that means Tencho did it, right? Thanks for the blessings of nature.
One strike and it's over, no room for doubt or talk. See it in my moves, got 'em all hypnotized. When you share this OniJime, watch the light in their eyes.